Previously on Freight Up Trucker. Just left up out of Best Buy. Uh-oh. What we got, boys? Yeah, what we got? What we got? We got all new speaker system. Oh yeah, we got a little iPad too. Check this so I can start looking up my maps on the bigger screen. But let's go. Alright, so we got this one taken off. And here go the brand new Pioneers. Get that off here. Yeah. Didn't quite fit. So we gotta make some modifications. Got a little bit of wire splicing to do. Almost done. Got this one going. Got that one in though. That one looks good. And we just gotta fit this one in. And there we have it. Can't play too much music though. And now these guys are next. What's up? Man, look at this guy. That is a big boat on this truck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 motors. Sheesh. It seems like it might be too big for this truck. I don't know what the horsepower is, but that's a lot of truck. I mean, not a lot of truck. That's a lot of boat for that truck, and it's like sagging down just a little bit. I don't know. It's a dually though. It might have a little something there. What is that? I don't know. I think it should be alright. And again, this is like still one of the best things I've gotten for the truck. My family got this for me from Father's Day, and it's just, I don't know, man. I don't know where I'd be without it. Got my cream in there already. I have this light on. Might be a little too bright. There we go. Look at that. And then you have coffee right there. Look at these little guys just taking up traffic. Just crossing guard mama. Like, yep, we gonna take our time. Everybody waiting too, that's good. Found this little Walmart. Looks like quite a few other people found it too, so we're getting ready to go shut it down. See you in the morning. And just like that, it's morning time. Everybody's still here. Maybe it's not been 10 hours to them. It's not been 10 hours for me either, but we'll see. Looks like a nice day. Kinda. It's kind of hard to tell. Is that clouds? No. That's clear sky. That's not like perfectly even gray clouds everywhere. That wouldn't make any sense, would it? Everywhere? Perfect? No. Those are blue skies. Yeah, let's go. All right, let's get this day started. Where I'm headed, you may ask. We shall see. Time to get some food somewhere. I think I may have seen something on the way in. Something that I am a big fan of. Fanned? That's a fanned of. Well, you can't say it without, it's just the way that it sounds when you put of at the end of fan. Okay, whatever, dude. I didn't think you were a fanned, F-A-N-D, but whatever. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, I love Cracker Barrel pancakes. And there she is. It's always a beautiful thing when your truck is where you left it. It really is. And who said it was hard finding truck parking? I mean, I'm fine. I'm right here. Look at this. Prime real estate. And they say you can't find truck parking these days. I'm right here. Look at that. Yeah, traveling down these desolate roads. Never know what's gonna jump out, so I just kind of take it nice and easy, you know? Not too easy, so where like, you know, like Halloween type Freddy Krueger dude can run up on me though. Little snip, snip. Don't worry, I'm gonna pick it up. Ooh, packed in there.